For now, I'm trying to speak English in my vlogs so everybody can understand me. I think that's better. Let me know in the comments. So in the last video, I showed you how I made the first samples of the coat, of the long sleeve and of the denims. So I worked on it a bit. I refined it. Also the sleeve part, I'm gonna show you again how it looks. So we have the coat right here. And as I said in the last vlog, I was really happy about the first sample, how it turned out. But there are still things, of course, which didn't... I'm bleeding. Here, 2 metal weights. Never mind. So, of course... I hope it's not gonna be more than this. So let's get back to it. The biggest problem for me was the sleeve. It was alright, but still I think the shape wasn't that great. You see how it's just falling like this. So I was thinking at home how to maybe make it better, and I came up with the idea to make a tailored sleeve out of it, out of the raglan sleeve. And the thing is, I never saw a raglan tailored sleeve before. Comment if you saw some before, because I didn't know and I just tried it out and it worked. So this is the pattern 1 and this is the pattern 2. You can see there's like a small curve because usually your arm is not straight. As you can see here, it makes kind of this shape to the front. So that's why tailored sleeves are always with 2 patterns and have this kind of slight curve on it. So that's what I did on this pattern. Also on the back, exactly here where this seam is, I wanted to have a pleat. So let's see if this is gonna work out. I also added this and some more stuff. So let's see. The fabric I chose for this sample is gonna be this wool fabric. I also steamed it with the iron, so it's not gonna shrink too much, but in the end it's gonna be a sample. And the real fabric is gonna cost 30 euros a meter, which is not that cheap. So I'm gonna use this one first because I saw it laying around and I'm not gonna use it for something else. So that's the plan. First cut out everything and then, yeah, sew the first things. So guys, I think 2 hours later, I think I went far until now. So this is how it looks like now. I inserted also these welt pockets here. As you can see here, there's the lining in black. In the original one, there is gonna be a mirror, so it's not gonna be seen. The other one is exactly here on the other side. And here we have this front panel, which is gonna be buttoned up and buttoned down. And I also put on here the collar, which is looking pretty nice. So the front is done. I think now I'm gonna go to the sleeve and insert every piece there. And I'm really curious how it's gonna turn out, because I still don't know if the raglan tailored sleeve is gonna work. But yeah, we're gonna find out. I'm a bit hungry and I don't have any bottle of water, which is bad. Could we please have a moment for this coat? Wow. So just that you know, I'm not 100% finished, of course, but I was fast as hell again. So let me show you what I did. First, the fabric looks quite nice in my opinion. Then look at the sleeve. Look at the sleeve, how it's falling. And that's only because I did this tailored sleeve. Then we got these pockets right here, as I told you before. And then the collar looks also pretty nice. And now if we turn, man, this looks so good. I'm a genius. Yeah, and I'm gonna wear it now. Good morning, friends. Today I'm gonna meet with a good friend. We are going to create some new content for y'all. And first, I wanted to go to H&M to just get like some red socks, because now I'm not wearing any sock, which is also a vibe. But for this fit, I don't know, I think I would need some nice red accent, because also my pants do have some red stitching on them. And yeah, that's the plan. We're gonna meet exactly like next to the H&M, so that's gonna be our first stop. Maybe we'll also go to this military shop, which is super good for also inspiration stuff, also for my own work. And they also have like super nice pieces if you dig a bit deeper inside of the store. So let's see if we're gonna go inside. Ah, 12 Euro ist gut eigentlich. Ja?
Habe ich jetzt einfach nicht gesagt.
Crazy. So guys, we found this beautiful military jacket. It's not looking super military. That's the thing I like about it. And it cost me about 40 euros. That's a fit. And it has also these beautiful tailored sleeves. The bad thing is that the pockets are like here on top, but I think it's not that big of a problem, because I also have these pockets here. And yeah, that's about it. Simon will also tell you guys what he found. You found two pieces, right? Okay, tell us.
I think it's like an undershirt, a military undershirt.
I also got this one here, yeah.
I'll tuck it in my pants and it's not that long.
Looks like a dress, no?
It looks like a dress, it really does. And
okay.
The second thing, it's just a long sleeve, but it has like this very tight neck. Fits pretty well.
Mm-hmm. And the color is also beautiful. Mr. Beige.
The beige, it's the beige.
Cool, yeah.
That's it.
And the price was like
I
10 or like...
Paid like 20 for both. Yeah.
Like in total?
In total, yeah.
Okay, yeah. Pretty good.
Pretty good?
Yeah, and also the pants. Do you want to say what you're wearing?
Yeah, I think everything is COS actually. Yeah, that's from COS in Stockholm and that's from Hong Kong. And the shoes, these are mules from Calvin Klein, but the pants got a bit wet.
Where? In the back?
Yeah, in the back.
Yeah, they are a bit too big, no? Yeah.
Them, yeah, they're a bit big. Yeah, and the belt is, I think I bought it in Spain somewhere in a pretty small shop a year ago.
And the bag, and the bag.
The bag. That's
beautiful
my Bottega
bag.
Roma. Yeah.
Beautiful. Ah.
That's the bag and that's the foot.
Perfect.
Schau das an. Das ist so, dass da das Ding drauf. Das ist ein Vakuum.
Das steckst du dann einfach aufs Handy.
Okay.
Dann tust du das auf eine Oberfläche, da geht es jetzt nicht, weil es
Ja.
Holz, aber du zum Beispiel. Oder? Dass du das nur da dran drehst.
Aber meins ist besser.
No way.
Ich habe diesen Saugnapf.
Ja, aber dieser Saugnapf hinterlässt Spuren.
Ach so, und das nicht.
Und das kannst du auch so.
Okay. Okay guys, quick outfit check. I'm with Julian right now. We made some new content again, so we are pretty consistent here. Let's see what he's wearing.
I'm wearing a blazer from Vinted, I don't know the brand. Pants are from 96 Dragon Studios, it's a Korean brand.
Okay, so I saw it has like a nice pleat on the side,
Yeah.
no?
A little bit
Okay.
long, but it's super nice.
Okay.
Loafers from Naked Studios. I think these sunglasses are from Mela. Yeah, I think Mela. My usual rings.
Show your ring. Do you wear it? He made
That's
this
my
ring.
brand.
Okay.
And I think that's it. I think tank top is from Weekday probably. Belt from Represent. I think that's it. Bag is
Okay.
Uniqlo.
What am I wearing? I'm wearing this Henley shirt, long sleeve. Then this pleated button pants from a brand. Then ballet flats, ballerinas. Not for everybody. And also brown socks from Uniqlo. Then this beautiful bag. I don't know where this was from. And also like this nice little blue detail as a belt alternative. We are out here on the pitch, and I'm gonna show you how good I am. Oh fucking hell. Normally I'm a bit better. Okay, Leon, how many goals today? 3. Okay, natürlich. Hm? Guys, we got some new packages. I'm gonna show you what I got. So let's maybe start with this one, because I really don't know what is inside. I think it's from Vinted. Let's see what we have here. Ha! Man, that's what I love about Vinted. Look at this. There's like always, there's like a cute message on it. It says like, thank you so much for your purchase. So what do we have here? A simple gray Henley, but with a very interesting color. So that's something I really like. I think it's super interesting, yet simple. So I think this is a really nice purchase. So the next package is from Weekday. We have here a linen pants. Okay, so the material looks pretty good. It's looking like super natural, which I really like, and it's like in this beige tone. Then I have another package, and I'm sorry I already unpacked it before, but we had here some nice shoes. I'm gonna show you. We have like these cute little dust bags, which I really liked about it. So now let me show you the shoes. So we have here some leather mokassins. So these are particular women's shoes, but the good thing is I have a size 42, so this is the biggest size, and they fit me pretty well. And they sent me also this pair over, so I think that's a W. And I really love the design. It's super simple, but also so elegant, and they will go perfectly in my shoe collection. Today in the morning we also had a meeting with our manufacturer, and we called them per video, and we also told them all the things I just told you right now, but much more detailed. By the way, if you didn't subscribe the channel yet, subscribe here, and also give the video a thumbs up and comment something nice.
One cappuccino ice.
My favorite cafe in Vienna, I would say. The good thing is about it, It's like super close to my university. So I'm coming here when it's like a hard time in uni, like quite often. But the coffee is every time good and I love sitting also there. But today we have to start our denim today. So I'm gonna show you here how it should look. I also made today a digital sketch of it. So that's the plan, to make first the pattern and let's see if we can like still do some seams on it. Yeah, we got some fresh new energy. I'm really happy how it turned out for now. We got the front part also here. We got this kind of A pocket, and you can also in the end, when it's finished, there's gonna be a button with a buttonhole, and you can also pin it like this, so you have like both options. And also from the back you can see there's like this lavender inner lining, which is looking so good. And I just found it here again, and that's like just randomly, and it's so beautiful. So now I inserted the fly, which is also here from the inside, and also made this top stitch here from this side. So now these kind of go over each other. We gotta sew this one, also the same at the back, and also the side seams. And then it's time for the waistband, which I'm very curious about. And that's kind of it. Ladies, so the denims are finished. I'm also going to show you how it looks closer, but as you see on the whole fit, the denim is quite large, but also not too large, which is I think kind of perfect. They also fit me perfectly on the waist, but the thing is they should be a quite bit more wide on the waist, which I fucked up, and I don't know how I did, because like so many times I measured it out and I made a sample before in the last video and it fitted. And this one is too small here, but in the end it fits me. I'm quite happy about them, but now also that this part flips over here and is not staying here on this button, I really like it. Also the fabric, like the denim fabric, is not the best denim, but it is a fabric which can be tried out as a denim. So I thought, why not use it? So overall, I think this is a pretty awesome product. And I think still there are some things which I have to change for the final piece. But yeah, let me know what you think about these.